Hello guys, welcome to All About Food. So today I'm going to make a pineapple cremora tart. This is very easy to make and it's very delicious. Please stay tuned to see my recipe. So what we're going to need to make this pineapple cremora fridge tart is the following. I'm going to start with my biscuit base. I've got one packet of tennis biscuits or tea biscuits that I've blended in my food processor until it's nice and fine. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm first going to add a bit, just first mix it up. Add some more. I always add a bit at a time just to make sure I've got the right consistency, because sometimes it depends on the weather. It can come out a little bit dry. So just mix it all nice. It's going to look like breadcrumbs, but I want to show you now. If you're going to take it and you press it, it must stay a ball. This way you know that it's not going to fall apart. I think to this I'm just going to add a little bit more butter just to make sure that the consistency is correct. Okay, so here I've got some more butter. I've got another teaspoon of butter. So if this comes out the way I want it to, then we can make it 2 heap tablespoonful of melted butter. Okay, let's add just a little bit more. So this is 1 packet of biscuits and 2 heap tablespoons of butter. Now you can see the consistency it looks just like breadcrumbs. Let me show you. If I'm going to crush it, it's going to stay a ball. This is what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my dish that I'm going to put my fridge tart in. You're going to put this crumbs into your dish like this, and what I do, I use a glass, and with the bottom of a glass you're going to press the crumbs down until it forms a nice solid base. You can use your hands, but I'm using this because you can clearly see it makes the work that much quicker. There you go. So you press it down until you are satisfied with what you are looking for, and then we can start with the filling. So I just also want to mention that you don't have to do it like this. You can also just use the biscuits, pack it at the bottom of your dish that you're going to make it in, or you can do it like this. So this is going into the fridge until my filling is finished. So let me just put this in the fridge and we'll start with the filling. So now that my base is in the fridge, now we can start with the cremora filling itself. So what we're going to start with is 2 cups of cremora powder. There you go. And to this you're going to add 1 cup of ice cold water. This must be ice cold water. This you're going to mix until it forms a nice thick consistency. This is a very easy tart to make and it tastes delicious. There you go. To this we're going to add 1 tin of condensed milk. There you go. It didn't spill out. Very nice. 1 tin of condensed milk. Scrape out every last bit of it. Like this. Just quickly mix it up. And then some lemon juice. This is going to be 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. You can use freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm using store-bought. There you go. And now you mix. Let me just take out the spatula. As you mix, you're going to see that it's going to start to thicken up. There you can see it's already starting to thicken up. This is the lemon juice with the condensed milk and the Cremora that's causing it to thicken up like this. There you go. To this I'm going to add 1 tin of crushed pineapple. You can see that I have strained the juices of the pineapple. This is tinned pineapple. Just mix it in very gently. There you go. And now we're going to pour this over our biscuit base. Let me just get it out of the fridge and I'll be back now. So here I've got my biscuit base. Now we're going to add this Cremora filling on top of this biscuit base. You can see the chunks of pineapple in between the Cremora filling. Now we just spread it around until every little corner of the dish is covered like this. And as you can see, I've got some biscuits that I've crushed. Now I'm just going to sprinkle it on top like this. And then this tart is going to the fridge for 2 hours to set and cool down entirely. And then I will show you. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, my fridge tart, my Cremora fridge tart is out of the fridge. It has set very nicely. So now I'm going to cut out a piece so that we can see how it looks inside. As you can see, it's cutting very nicely. Take out a nice piece. I'm going to try to take out the corner piece. There you go. Just look how delicious this looks. You can see the pineapple pieces in between this very nice Cremora filling. And now for the tasting. And it's delicious as always. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye guys.